Hello friends, I am Vaishali Jain and this is EPC file made by me. The subject is reading and reflecting on text. This is front page of my college. Here index of content. This is index. Here are list of content. What topics I have written. The topics are divided into 3 units. Here unit first comes. What is reading? Why we should read reading? This is the introduction of reading. Meaning and definition of reading. As reading is the key to learning. Here are some reading techniques. These are oral reading, silent reading, intensive reading, extensive reading, and supplementary reading. If we encounter a man of rare intellect, we should ask him what books he reads, so that we can know about his personality. So, this is silent reading. Now, what is scaffolding? Here, meaning of scaffolding. Types of scaffolding. Basically, there are 2 types of scaffolding: soft scaffolding and hard scaffolding. Here, I have pasted a picture of a teacher teaching her students how to solve the problem. So this is the process of scaffolding. This is also another picture showing the process of scaffolding by teacher to their students so that they can perform perfectly the experiment. We will move to next page. Here the story. What is story and Here is what is story and importance of story is given. Motivational story. Now story comes. What is story and importance of story in textbooks? Why we should read stories? All it is given here. This is story 1. It is based on the lesson that best lessons come after the hardest life situations. This is story 2. This is a picture sequence stories. This helps the students, especially the small kids, to give them moral values, learn them moral values and teach. The Monkey and the Cape Sailor. It is very famous story. Now we will move to poem. This is poem 1. Girl child is a blessing to the society. Little girls with big dreams turn into women with visions. These are some examples. This is poem 2, on getting ready for exam. This is also very motivational story. Poem. Now moving to poem 2, getting ready for exam. This is a motivational poem. You should read it out. This is poem 2, on getting ready for exam. This is a motivational poem. It is very interesting poem. You should read it out. Now will comes to jokes. I think I should speak it. Now here are some jokes. Now jokes comes. And there is a joke. Teacher to Sardar, what is this? What is 7 number, even or odd? Sardar told, it's even. Then teacher asked, how can 7 be even? Then Sardar answered, remove this S from 7. It's funny. Then second joke is, teacher, who will tell the chemical formula of water? Student, it's HIJKLMNO. Teacher asks, what is this? Student, ma'am, yesterday you told us that it's from H to O. Here riddles come. You can solve these riddles. At least try to solve this. They are easy. Here riddles come. There are 2 riddles. You can also try to solve it. They are easy. Here I have pasted a crossword puzzle game. These are questions of the game and these are answers. Games given in textbook are also very important, so that by enjoying and by making fun we can improve our vocabulary, English vocabulary. Here I have, this is crossword puzzle game. These are questions and these are answers of the game. Games in textbook are also very important. By this, a student can improve their vocabulary, English vocabulary, with fun and enjoyment. Now Unit 2 comes. It's all about reading comprehension, local comprehension, what is global comprehension, what is an inference. This is example of inference. Extrapolation and discourse. What is global news? This is the example of recent global news. Myanmar's military coup creates banking wars. Now, what is local interest place? Here I have written about my local interest place, that is Avanti Pashnath Jain Temple in Ujjain. It is the history of that Avanti Pashnath Jain Temple and the beautiful pictures of the mandir. Local interest place. I have written about Avanti Pashnath Jain Temple. Here, what is local interest? Now comes local interest place. Here I have written about the Avanti Pashnath Jain Temple in Ujjain. It is my local interest place. The architecture of this temple is very, very royal. Traditional. I must say, the architecture of the Avanti Pashnath Jain Temple, Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh. This is history of the temple. I must say, you should visit it out. We will move to international threat. Here, international threat. We will move to next page. International threat. Recent example of international threat is given. What is encyclopedia? Dictionary. Difference between encyclopedia and dictionary. What is an encyclopedia? What is dictionary? Then here the difference between encyclopedia and dictionary. Educational philosopher. I have written about Malala Yousafzai. Here comes educational philosopher. Malala Yousafzai, an inspiration for students. I have written about her. I think she is very inspiration for us. As I am very inspired by Malala, so I have written about her. I think Malala is an inspiration. I think Malala is an inspiration for all of us to do well in our work, but also to be grateful for the educational opportunities we possess. Now we will move to next topic, that is book review. I have written the book review of The White Tiger, written by Arvind Adiga. This is the short summary of The White Tiger. This is very interesting. This is the short summary of The White Tiger novel. I think every Indian should read it. I would definitely recommend it to anyone who wants to understand the Indian bio. This is the short summary of The White Tiger novel. I would definitely recommend it to anyone who wants to understand India beyond its fun, marriages, fairy tale, or saris and jewelry. The book really does shake your conscience. The book really does shakes your conscience, giving you a totally different perspective to observe things. This novel is The White. Now now unit 3 comes. Narrative text. Here characteristics and examples of narrative text. Expository text. Here its examples. Now what is field note? Types of field notes. Advantage and disadvantages are also given. Biography and autography.